The Apres Gel-X certification. To understand the Apres Gel-X system, we first have to understand the past. So how is Gel-X possible? Besides being easy to use, Gel-X comes with a wide variety and range of shapes, and it also comes with a 100% soak-off builder gel that can be used to, you could either sculpt it with a form or use it as an adhesion gel for your cover tip. We've got almond, coffin, round, square, and stiletto. The lengths that these come in will be extra short, short, medium, and long, and sometimes even extra long. You'll also see on the market where there are sculpted versus natural tips. So what does this mean? Sculpted tips tend to have a more exaggerated apex, which are going to be more ideal for those clients whose natural nail has a more exaggerated apex, while the natural nails are going to tend to have a much smoother apex, which is of course more ideal for clients who have the flat or inverted upward nail plate. When it comes to sizing and prepping, you want to first determine whether the client would be more suitable for a natural or a sculpted tip. Some clients can sit somewhere in between. You can easily take a natural tip and just gently bend the tip to fit them perfectly. As we are rolling the tip down the nail, it's important to pay very close attention to the subtle details. If you see bubbles, if there aren't any bubbles, or if the gel is covering the entire nail plate. Once all of the nails are flash cured in place, you'd want to place the entire hand under the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds in an LED or a UV. So let's talk troubleshooting. For troubleshooting, when a client has a crooked nail, we simply place the tip straight to align with the other nails. Frequently asked questions or troubleshooting questions. If you're getting bubbles under your nails, then you would want to gently roll. You're probably using too much Extend Gel, but you would want to gently roll the tip off of the nail and reapply it. It's important to understand whether or not you are choosing the right type of tip. Sculptured tips should be used for nails that have an exaggerated apex naturally, while natural tips are going to be more ideal for anyone that has a flatter surface nail plate. When applying tips on bitten nails, it's important to set expectation with the client about the longer nails and use the nails that'll be suitable for their natural nail length because they're bitten. When you've cured Extend Gel onto the skin, gently file it off or remove it to avoid dermatitis. When it comes to choosing pricing for this service, you want to make sure that you're comparing your pricing. You should take a few things into consideration. What are other competing nail salon professionals charging for a full set of Apres Gel-X? What would be considered a higher price of acrylic enhancements? What would be considered a lower price? We compare this service to the price of acrylic enhancements because essentially it's a nail enhancement. Congratulations on finishing your Apres Gel-X certification. You are now certified. I introduced to you the Apres Gel-X. We'll be using the entire system as well as the Extend Gel. Once we've prepped the nail, removing all oils and shine, and sized our tips, we're using the pH bonder to etch the tip. You can also etch the tip using your medium carbide bit. We're going to cleanse the nail before we add another layer of pH bonder to neutralize the natural oils in the nail. Next, we apply our acid-free primer. This is going to help adhere our Extend Gel along with a thin layer of Extend Gel to aid the adhesion process. You can use an orange wood stick or a brush to dispense your adhesion gel before gently rolling the Extend Gel all the way down the nail. What's important about this step is ensuring that you do not flood or puddle product underneath the nail or get it on the skin, and if you do, you clean it off. You can then flash cure and flash for 30 seconds. Once finished curing, you're going to blend the tip near the epinecium, and then you're going to simply buff away the shine, and this client will be ready for polish. For troubleshooting, should bubbles or empty spaces occur, you can fix them by applying product or just simply roll the tip off and reapply. Congratulations on your Apres Gel-X journey. You are now certified.